Hi everyone, I decided to leave a video regarding my experience with getting Lasik MD. Um, so my vision was pretty bad. It was at minus 4.25 on each eye. I guess there's probably worse, but mine was really bad. I felt like, I needed to change, I needed to do something about it, and I procrastinated for a while. Because I was really scared of getting surgery, and B, because it's quite expensive. So I had issues with my vision since I was, I think, about 6 years old, and I decided to finally get surgery at 30. So the reason why I decided to do it was because I was just sick of the contacts, I was sick of the glasses, I was just sick of the whole process, and I decided, okay, I have to go to Lasik and just book an appointment. It's a free consultation, and just, go in there and have, ask your questions, and let's see what they say. And so sure enough, I booked my appointment, I went in, and they told me that I was eligible for the surgery because depending on a few things, they might not operate on you, but I was eligible to do it. So I booked it within, I believe, 3 to 4 months. And when I went in, it went pretty smoothly. They did ask me not to wear any contacts 24 hours prior to the surgery. And I went in a bit nervous. I think I got mostly nervous when I actually got into the room and it was about to happen, and it kind of like just hit me in that moment, and I was like, okay, I guess I'm really doing this. It just kind of hit me then. It's weird, but that's just how it was with me. And so they lay you down, and then they do their thing, it was all just very fast. So to be honest, I don't remember exactly each step, but I know that I laid down and they did it within like less than 2 minutes. And it is a bit uncomfortable because as much as you can't feel what you're doing, but you just kind of know that there's something going on, and that kind of freaks you out a little bit. And anyways, it was done within a few minutes, a minute, 2 minutes tops. And I left, and I could see, I could see it was very blurry, but I could see. I thought I wouldn't be able to see when I walked out of Lasik. And I could see. I had my sunglasses, and I walked to the car. Due to COVID, I couldn't really have my husband there to help me walk down to the car. And I was freaking out. I'm like, how am I going to do this? I don't have anyone to help me. But it turns out it's fine. As soon as you leave, it's blurry, but you can still see, and it was okay. So that's pretty much what happened. I mean, right after the surgery, like, I just had to follow the steps and instructions for the drops. There's just quite a few drops within the first few hours and the first few days, but then it's okay. One thing I noticed after the surgery, after maybe, a month or two, is just that I was very sensitive to light. To this day, I still am. It's been almost a year that I got surgery. And anywhere I go, I do need sunglasses now, even if it's just like a really bright day and it's not very sunny, but it's just bright, I need sunglasses. And as opposed to before, I wouldn't need sunglasses at all times, and now I feel like I do when I'm outdoors, but when I'm indoors, I'm fine. I know a lot of people who will need sunglasses all the time after surgery, and it wasn't my case. I do see pretty fine outdoors and indoors. It's perfect vision, It's just your eyes will be a bit sensitive. It's tolerable, it's nothing bad. And the other thing is my eyes do get dry, and they did get very dry within the first few months. It did get better, and then there's these kind of stages where they get dry again, and then it feels normal again, and it gets dry again, it feels normal again. So, I mean, these are just little things that I've noticed, but it's nothing that, would make me change my mind about the surgery at all. I think it was great. It was the best thing I ever did. And honestly, if you're scared, I was scared too. I think anyone would be scared. And I had a great experience. And yeah, good luck if you decide to do it. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.